चाय पे चर्चा विद वर्षा।
हेलो, नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। दिस इज मी वर्षा और आप है मेरे साथ चाय पे चर्चा विद वर्षा।
स्विच करे मूड जो हो जैसा सैचुरेशन, रंग भरी लाइफ जैसे कलर टेलीविजन, म्यूजिक भी बजेगा, बातें भी होंगी।
आज का एपिसोड होने वाला है बहुत खास उन पेरेंट्स के लिए जो अपने बच्चों के फ्यूचर को लेके बहुत ही परेशान होते हैं, और आजकल के बच्चे जो कुछ ज़्यादा ही रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले लेते हैं अपने आप पे, पता नहीं जैसे उन्हें करना क्या है। तो इन्हीं सब बातों का जवाब देने के लिए आज हमारे साथ स्टूडियो में है डॉक्टर रितु गुप्ता। हेलो डॉक्टर।
Hello, thank you so much, Varsha.
एंड वेलकम टू माय शो चाय पे चर्चा विद वर्षा।
It's an honor. Thank you.
सो डॉक्टर, पहले तो आप सबसे पहले अपने बारे में बताइए कि आप कहाँ से हैं, आपने प्रोफेशन कैसे चूज़ किया।
I'm from Dehradun, छोटी सी वैली है इंडिया में, and born and brought up, studied there. And वहाँ पे छोटे थे तो we used to work with the visually impaired.
ओके।
Socially productive work करना होता था mandatory school से, and उसी में I think we became very aware to understanding कि life में beyond a normal life बहुत कुछ है, and उसकी फील्ड अपने आप धीरे धीरे इट्स अ कॉलिंग फ्रॉम गॉड, कैसे वो हमें साइकोलॉजी एंड देन मेजरिंग इनटू क्रिमिनल साइकोलॉजी, अंडरस्टैंडिंग द क्रॉस डाइसेक्शनल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ दिस सोसाइटी। आज 26 साल हो गए हैं एंड आई एम अ क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट वर्किंग वेरी क्लोजली विद द फोरेंसिक्स ऑल्सो।
ये तो ब्लेसिंग है, मतलब लोगों के लिए। ये लाइक बोलते हैं कि डॉक्टर भगवान होता है, लेकिन सच में साइकोलॉजी डॉक्टर तो एक्चुअल भगवान होता है जो बहुत सारी चीज़ों से निकाल रहा होता है।
आई होप सो। एम सिर्फ यही है कि वी आर एबल टू कंट्रीब्यूट टू द सेगमेंट ऑफ द सोसाइटी विच इज़ कॉन्स्टेंटली स्ट्रगलिंग।
यू विल डेफिनेटली, यू आर डूइंग इट, जितना तो मुझे पता है। व्हाट काइंड ऑफ केसेस यू लाइक यूजुअली रिसीव्ड, कैसे आते हैं आपके पास?
See, I'm a clinical psychologist with an honorary doctorate from the Oxford. So the segment is again very vast. It's everything to do with our common life. From family issues to handling spouses, divorces, domestic violence, sibling rivalry. I mean, just low self-esteem, lack of purpose in today's youth, old age, separation from the kids. It's just never ending. आप जिसको भी चाहें आप सोच लीजिए, चाहे वो आपका इट्स पीपल ऑफ डिटर्मिनेशन, पीपल ऑन द स्पेक्ट्रम जिनको यू नो क्रोनोलॉजिकल इश्यूज हैं, या फिर social, emotional, physical, mental. It's a holistic approach to mental and well-being cases. And the kind of cases that come to me are broadly, the challenges primarily that the youth are facing today.
Yes.
And parents are struggling with, because generations have changed. The dynamics of the society has changed. We are in a very progressive society. लेकिन उस progression के साथ में challenges किसी manual के साथ में नहीं आते हैं. And suddenly the parents are, not able to find their feet, and the youth are already lost.
तो क्यों, मतलब क्यों ऐसी क्या चीज़ है, क्यों इतनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आजकल के यूथ कैरी करते हैं?
I wouldn't say कि youth आजकल की responsibility carry करते हैं. I think हमने unconsciously, हम लोगों में से किसी भी adult का ये mission नहीं था. But what has happened is that suddenly the youth has become responsible to handle adult sized problems. हम एक joint family से एक nuclear setup में आ गए हैं. Nuclear setup से divorces and mutual separation बहुत common हो गया. So even if you're living under the same roof, you have strained relationships. एक बच्चे का सबसे पहला school उसका घर है, right? And if a child does not know how to handle a parent who's handling strained relationship, he or she is growing up. He's watching a mom or a dad and they don't know how to handle that emotion, but they're expected to deal with it. Mom's upset, don't talk. Dad's not eating, don't talk, right? That's where they're learning it. So they have lost their childhood.
Okay.
They are expected to grow up, right? They're expected to behave like a matured adult, जैसे कि आप और मैं behave करेंगे.
Correct.
And that's where, the main pressure builds up. And instead of living childhood like most of us have come back from, today's children are simultaneously exposed from school, because in middle school they're expected to know what they want to be. Their career goals should be clear.
Correct.
Which stream of future they should be taking. Social media, they should be validated. They have a certain amount of friends. So it's a pressure from all the sides. when we were growing up, we did not have these responsibilities. हमारे पास social media नाम पे कुछ था ही नहीं,
करेक्ट.
right? So that's how the youth has been forced to become responsible.
सो आपको लगता है कि सोशल मीडिया और इन सब चीज़ का बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर होता है इन लोगों पे, फैमिली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी का. सो डू यू थिंक टुडेज यूथ आर कैरिंग मोर इमोशनल एंड सोशल वेट देन दे शुड?
Yes, I definitely think so. And in my clinical practice, what I have witnessed is that the youth, the young people today, suddenly have to not only cope with just academic pressure or the nuances of the family and the pressure that's coming along because nuclear family or strained relationships, we have, gender equality, everybody's working, parents are not able to give the time. So बच्चा उसमें क्या करता है? Parents की complaint है, my child is always on the phone. They're always on an iPad. They're always on the device, right?
Correct.
But they're studying online. COVID changed the dynamics of the school, right? The entire globe's educational system was working online suddenly. So everything moved from physical books, which is coming from centuries, to online devices. Usi online devices mein you're also handling groups like Zoom and Teams. So the child also does not have a manual,
करेक्ट.
right? Men and women are also doing office work on their Zoom network calls. It becomes a learning procedure silently. आप जो देख रहे हैं वो आपका lifestyle बन जाता है. A child is imbibing what he's seeing. If he's seeing his father returns from work, handling excessively, calls, messages, he knows that's the norm. So the minute he's exposed to that social media, he's also going to do that. तब आप उसको एज एन अडल्ट चेक कर सकते हो, बट उसको तो वो डिफरेंस ही नहीं पता है ना.
करेक्ट.
They don't know. Then there are conflicts, global warming. Schools are teaching you. इस age में, when they're supposed to self-realize themselves. लेकिन वो हो ही नहीं पाता है. They are only trying to figure out, oh, there's a global war. Oh, there might be a World War III. Oh, there's a, global warming. They suddenly start feeling responsible and accountable. क्योंकि बच्चों के लिए वो डेवलपमेंटल स्टेज स्ट्रेटेजिकली है, लेकिन हमने सारा इंफॉर्मेशन ओवरलोड दे दिया उनको. सो दे डोंट नो वेयर टू स्टॉप. They don't know. They suddenly feel accountable. They suddenly feel guilty of not being able to show the responsibility. That causes anxiety. That causes that causes a lot of stress on them. And that is how the imbalance happens.
हमें ये लगता है कि छोटे बच्चे दूसरों का देख के सीख रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, बस नहीं, ये सब घर ही में चल रहा होता है हमारे.
Yes. लेकिन वो हर जगह से इम्बाइब कर रहे हैं. हर जगह आपके न्यूज़ प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे, आपके रील्स पे, सोशल मीडिया पे, whether it's a refugee, whether it's this, a war-torn country, it's affecting the children because they're silently watching it and they're feeling that, oh, I'm supposed to do something about this. But they don't know how to because society ने news तो दे रखी है, information दे रखी है, parents are also discussing conflicts. But what is to be done about it, they don't know. And for a child, they come inherently from caring deeply.
Yeah.
एक बच्चे के अंदर the symbol of a child is purity and love. So they want to give, they want to contribute, but they don't know how to. And we haven't yet formed a module for a child to, provide that कि अभी आपका time नहीं है, it will come in time. वो उसी में खोकर anxious, stressed and incapacitated feel करने लगता है.
करेक्ट. अरे आजकल न्यू बॉर्न बेबी का भी है कि वो मोबाइल सामने दिखा देते हैं. थोड़ा बच्चा बड़ा होता है तो खाना खाने के लिए मोबाइल सामने रख देते हैं, कार्टून देख रहा है और खा रहा है, तो मतलब उनकी तो शुरुआत ही वहाँ से हो जाती है, which is actually wrong, right?
Yeah, we always in my practice and otherwise also in the mental health world, we are suggesting to parents constantly and families that please do not introduce the devices up until the age of 4 or 5. And I know it's very difficult. I know in today's time it sounds almost impossible.
प्लीज ये कैमरे में देख के बोल दीजिए, ये मुझे सच में लोगों को बताना है. इवन माय सिस्टर, अभी उसका बेबी हुआ है, वो कुछ नहीं मोबाइल दे देती है, so which is wrong. समझा?
It's a humble request that a child needs more of your personal time, which is as difficult as it sounds. आपके दिनचर्या में कितनी भी busyness हो, आपका work हो, आपकी lifestyle हो, The child does not need to be on the devices for at least 3 to 4 years of age. They need to be away. They need to be listening to stories, playing, just holding you, cuddles. That's all they need.
पूरा चाइल्डहुड छीन लेते हो यार तुम लोग मोबाइल देख के. व्हाट इज दिस? अच्छा, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सम करियर एंड academical pressure. So when it's come to school and careers, do you think there's too much pressure on young people to have their whole future out of like before they leave school or some ये सब decide हो जाता है पहले से ही?
देखिए, लाइफ इज़ वेरी ट्रांजिएंट. सो मैं ये कहना सही नहीं मानूंगी कि सब कुछ डिसाइड हो जाता है. लेकिन हाँ, हमने एक ऐसा मोल्ड बना दिया है लाइफ में एकेडमिकली, वेयर वी एक्सपेक्ट आवर चिल्ड्रन, द यंग पीपल, बाय मिड स्कूल, लाइक आई सेड, टू नो व्हाट देयर करियर चॉइसेस शुड बी. एंड यस, क्लैरिटी इज डेफिनेटली इम्पॉर्टेंट, बट वो क्लैरिटी कोई भी यंग अडल्ट कैसे अचीव करेगा जब उसे अपने बारे में सेल्फ अवेयरनेस आएगी.
करेक्ट.
And we are not able to offer that through our educational and academic pressures to the young adults today. We force them to be a part of multiple activities, which is in a way good. Hum bhi jab, the time that we have come from was a slower time.
Very good.
But we still had co-curricular activities and a balance between academics and social, activities.
Correct.
Today, it's a chaos. You have to be good in sports, you have to do music, you have to be academically strong, and you have to be financially responsible, and you have to be a family person. As an adult, you have given these 8 segments, which are a pressure balloon from every side to the child. But the child doesn't know how to maintain a balance. इस सब में उसकी exploration खत्म हो जाती है.
Yes.
The child forgets to explore. The curiosity is killed. It's buried.
Correct.
And what comes in return as a result is pressure. They can't handle the anxiety. They don't know how to handle this. They can't communicate. They're not able to think this is right, this is wrong. Because वो एक constant radar है that my choices and my decisions are forever. They are going to decide my future.
Yes.
There is no comeback. जबकि ये उनका बचपन, childhood is for your self-awareness. They need to go through the process to understand where they are, what they are, how is it that they would like to be.
करेक्ट. वो एक चाम होता है कि हाँ ये मुझे बनना है बड़े होके, या ये मुझे करना
ड्रीम
है.
होता है.
ये ड्रीम होता है, ये चीज, बट ये प्रेशर नहीं होता.
Yeah.
मुझे तो बिल्कुल प्रेशर नहीं लिया मैंने. मुझे नहीं पता था मुझे क्या करना है, पर मुझे कुछ तो करना है, मुझे इतना था, लेकिन वो प्रेशर कभी नहीं आया.
Which is a very wonderful thing that you have said, Varsha. I didn't know what I wanted to do,
Correct.
but I wanted to be something.
Yes.
And that awareness about yourself will lead you to find a path, because the world is absolutely a platform of opportunities.
Correct.
लेकिन हम अपने मोल्ड में बच्चों को ये सिखाना भूल जाते हैं, क्योंकि हम एज एन अडल्ट एक गोल, एक एम कॉन्स्टेंटली we're chasing it.
Correct.
And what we have done is we've moved the same growth and the goal to the younger, it's not the time right now.
Correct.
It's their time to realize themselves.
So, how do you think the rise of hustle culture and said hustle has changed the way teenager and young adults think about the success?
See, hustle culture was pretty silent, but very much there. But what has happened now is that instead of being, bringing the focus to personal growth, the focus has completely shifted to productivity.
Okay.
Everything that you do has to be measured against monetizing. And hustle culture, being so prevalent and predominant, has taken the core of the youth away. For them, it has become more important that if you're not doing anything, you wasted your life. As against, that we're contributing to our inner growth, we're able to identify our creative and, balance out what we need to do.
Correct.
Everything is not money. But today, the culture has become such, that they want to say, okay, it's tangible only if there's money involved.
राइट
So it really impacts the growth to the society. एक वो rut है. You know, we're all in a rut. And what's happening is that the youth which need to take them time off and allow themselves to, you know, experience self-awareness, make mistakes, realize what is working, what is not going to work, वो सब एक side पे है. Suddenly it's what matters is your grades, what matters is your campus,
Correct.
what college applications have been approved. It's become very tangibilized.
करेक्ट
And hustle culture has completely diluted and subdued the importance of your internal inner connect.
करेक्ट मतलब कंपटीशन लेवल भी बहुत ज़्यादा है, इधर उधर देख के भी ये सब चीज़ें बहुत हो जाती हैं.
Competition level, I think, हमेशा से था. But
हमने सीरियस
the-
ले लिया.
but I think what has happened today is we're becoming more robotic. We're
Robotic.
losing the
Correct what?
the human, the touch, the element of, you know, being a human, different from being a machine which is only supposed to churn.
Okay.
We as humans are not meant to churn all the time. Genuinely taking time off to focus on your creative aspects or what you'd like to do or contribute to the society, either or ways, is a very important aspect which should be genuinely focused upon to reduce the hustle culture.
ओके आजकल के बच्चों में एक चीज़ और बहुत ज़्यादा देखी जा रही है विच इज़ साइलेंट डिप्रेशन.
Yeah.
सो व्हाट इज़ दैट एंड व्हाई?
Silent depression is too, you know, cross dissectional. लेकिन depression in itself, हमारा mind is endless, you know. लेकिन आजकल के बच्चों में strokes, heart attacks, आप COVID और उसकी medicines को कितना भी blame कर लीजिए.
करेक्ट
लेकिन we forget the lifestyle that the youth is leading today.
करेक्ट
उनको anxiousness handle करनी आती ही नहीं है. You know, we have a very common word called parentization.
Correct.
Right? Why? Because as a child of 15, 16, sometimes even younger, is handling and becoming a parent to the mother or the father because they're handling separation, they're handling trauma, they're handling divorce, domestic violence. It's become extremely common. Divorces तो हमेशा से चल रहे थे.
Correct.
Right? But today, in your neighborhood, every second or third house, you would feel there's a strain in the marital relationship.
Correct.
There is something that is not right. उसमें बच्चा suddenly adult हो जाता है. उसको पता नहीं है कैसे, but he becomes a mother or a father
ओके
to that parent, trying to, you know, but he doesn't know how to himself churn and use that emotion,
ओह
right? वो कहाँ निकलता है?
कहाँ निकलता है?
वो सैडनेस में, सॉरो में, डिप्रेशन, द टर्म डिप्रेशन, राइट, उसमें वो अंदर ही अंदर घुल रहा है बिकॉज ही वॉज डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ हिज चाइल्डहुड और शी वॉज डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ हर चाइल्डहुड बिकॉज शी वॉज either parenting her own parent or she was handling the trauma of the family, and they don't know where to draw the line. They don't know how to live their own childhood. And so, you know, studies ka pressure, and then you're not able to focus on the right aspects, and you feel like a loser, your self-esteem gets impacted, bullying hai. I mean, there are multiple things that continue from one step to another, but it all begins at home. Very rarely it happens that, you know, nothing is perfect. It's not a perfect world, but everything is, you know, a tick at the home life, and then outside something happened that cannot be addressed at home.
ओह
The root is always going to be where we belong. So depression also most often stems from where we are stemming up.
तभी आजकल के छोटे बच्चों को अटैक आ रहे हैं, कोलैप्स होके गिर रहे हैं, ये सब चीजें.
Anxiety has become so
Anxiety.
common. Panic attacks are so common.
पैनिक अटैक्स. यस यस
I'm empaneled with a certain amount of schools in the UAE. I have clients across the globe. There are children as young as 4. There are children as young as, 4.5, 5, whose parents reach out and say that, one thing is, सभी रोते हैं स्कूल जाने के लिए उस उम्र में.
करेक्ट
लेकिन उसके आगे, there is more to it, that the child is not able to sleep at night, the child is not able to eat, lose appetite, not make friends, because he's somewhere internally not able to process the, excessive amount of emotional overload he's facing in the society.
आपके अभी लेटेस्ट केसेस क्या हैं, मतलब अभी आप किस केसों से डील कर रहे हैं?
Like I said, these are very confidential. But yes, on a very broad spectrum, I have a lot of cases, broadly on an average of young adults, because I'm working across universities and schools, as I said, where the children or the youth or the teenagers don't seem to have a purpose. So when they come and sit with me, their biggest concern is that they don't have a purpose in life
Okay.
and they don't know why are they even living.
Oh my
What
God.
is like they get up, some of them like आजकल क्या है कि you know problem of plenty. Parents busy हैं, so आपके बच्चे को कुछ चाहिए आपने खरीद दिया. So they don't know हम कैसे, where we were growing up. Obviously times are different, zones are different, but still we used to save our pocket money and then wait for something and buy ourselves some music, or a
Yes.
particular diary, stationery, whatever we wanted. Aajkal it's you desire and you get it. You desire and you get it. It's all yours. So a child doesn't know the struggle that goes into making a wish possible. So that's the biggest challenge that we deal with. Most of my cases are circumferencing around the fact that the youth doesn't feel they have a purpose.
Oh my God.
And my constant, work towards with the family is that let's create a purpose within the family.
Okay.
They need to know how to love. They need to know how to feel. They need to know what more than how much they have, or where are they going to be in their career. What's more important is for them to realize what kind of humans are they becoming. What kind of relationships would they have? What kind of friendships would they enjoy and like? What is it that excites them in life? Would they like to travel? Would they like to see the world? जब तक हम एक बच्चे को इसके अराउंड एक्सपोजर नहीं देंगे, एक बच्चा पर्पस इवेंचुअली लूज कर देगा. इट कुड बी एट 16 और इट कुड बी एट 24.
Oh my God. Very depressing all this. So आपको क्या लगता है कि इसका कहीं ना कहीं कनेक्शन सोशल मीडिया से है, मोबाइल से? क्योंकि हमारे टाइम में इतना नहीं था, नेट नहीं था, इतनी चीज़ें हम वेबसाइट्स नहीं देखते थे, बहुत सी सीरीज ये सब नहीं होता था. टीवी चलती थी संडे के संडे, रामायण चल रही होती थी उसमें, उतना फिर थोड़ा और आ गया है तो मोबाइल हाथ में आया, लेकिन इतने फंक्शन इतनी चीज़ें नहीं थी. तो ये कहीं ना कहीं कनेक्टेड है.
Definitely connected है. हर एक चीज़ yin and yang, right? We all have the dark and the light in everything of this world. So सिर्फ एक सोशल मीडिया को ब्लेम करना सही नहीं रहेगा, लेकिन definitely I think social media, while it has connected the dots, connected the globe, given a lot of information that's important, it has also played the demon somewhere, because the people in the background who were formulating these platforms somewhere forgot the boundaries.
Okay.
So if a child can log into to an Instagram account and pretend to be an 18-year-old, there is nothing that's stopping him or her, right? Or a Facebook. Yes, they have the boundaries of 18 years and above. So that overexposure at a 4-year-old will not know how to deal with information that is meant for adults. It is impossible because the brain develops as it's meant to develop. Human body, human mind works at the pace that it's supposed to. It's only the information in the social media which doesn't work as it's supposed to, right? लेकिन वो difference और वो gap platforms में एक बच्चे को एक अलग level पे confuse कर देते हैं. They don't know how to handle all of that information. So yes, and there are schools who are now forcing it that 16 years and below there's going to be no phones in the school. Dubai has also done it, and I'm very grateful to the government that they have that they have
Very
launched
good
this
news.
movement. Schools are suddenly catching up. Australia has done it. So I think slow and steady
हो रहा है.
progression तो रहेगा ही.
हो रहा है. चलो, अब क्योंकि इतने सारे केसेस हो गए, इसको देख के शायद कुछ तो करना चाहिए, और कर रहे हैं. If you could change one thing about how society defines success for young people.
Yeah. So I think one thing that I would really like to change and request for a change in this society is the attitude from what have you accomplished in your life to become what are you becoming in your life. I think for a child and a youth to understand the difference of what have you achieved is not as significant as what are you becoming. Where are you heading to? What are your relationships? Who are your relationships? What are your choices? What kind of friendships are you building, nurturing? What is it that your conscious contribution to the world, to the planet that you're living in, is more important than tangibilizing your efforts and your focus only into आप क्या बने लाइफ में, आपने कितना पैसा कमा लिया, आपका पैकेज कितना है, विच वर द बेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटीज और स्कूल्स दैट यू वेंट टू. That could be important, that is always going to be significant, but that is not the crux of life. So that is one thing, that is one shift that I would love to pioneer or be a part of in the society.
Wow. Very nice.
Thank you.
So can you share a real life success story जो overcome हुआ हो इन सब चीज़ों से?
Yeah, by God's grace, there are many. But there's one particular story that is always going to be very close to my heart and soul. And this is a couple of years back in the UAE only. There was this rape victim. And I was informed that she's alone, she's distressed. And if I can help her, then I should. And it was about 2 a.m. in the morning when I got the call from some of the supporters. And I rushed to the place and we needed to protect her. So
How old is she?
at that time, she was 22. And she not only had, across the years of seeking help and working with us, she not only overcame the trauma or learned how to move on from it, she launched her own company. She's running her own entrepreneurial setup.
Nice.
She's happily married, so she's broken out the trauma of physical abuse. And she's expecting.
Proud of you, girl. And proud of you.
Thank you. It's all thanks to the divine intervention. But I think it's when people want to bring the change, nothing can stop them. It was her will, her grit, and we can only hold the hand and walk together. But the credit is
Courage.
always to the people who hold the courage to change their
Courage to
lives.
change. हाँ, जो चाहते हैं, जो टूटे नहीं हैं, जो
who
हर
don't
जगह
wanna
से
give
उठना
up.
चाहते हैं. Correct. तो I really wanted to ask you one question. कि इतनी नेगेटिव चीज़ों से इतनी चीज़ें सुन के ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, इतनी प्रॉब्लम्स के साथ आप अपने आप को कैसे हैंडल करते हो?
Varsha, see, what we're calling and addressing negative and dark is real.
I know.
And it's a part of the, it's part of where we belong. Like I said, there is yin and there's yang, right? Of course, when I'm working and when I'm, contributing to support with light, it impacts me also, undoubtedly. I'm
Definitely.
very much a human and, I have my family, I have myself to handle. What I learned across the years, initially when I was younger, garam khoon tha, josh tha, I was all in it. And slowly I realized that, of course, mindset kahin pe impact hota hai that, we cannot break through certain rules of the society. But as I matured over time, I think credits to being able to have a childhood where I was made self-aware, like I said. It kept my feet on the ground and I was able to find my own vents. So sometimes before I head back home to my family and I have, like I say very naughtily that I'm the dirty, dark secret keeper of the society.
Okay.
I actually, before heading back home, I go to a beach, I spend some time with myself, or I call up a friend and I say, okay, let's just spend some time neutrally over a meal. Or I just ask my children to join me at a certain place. Sometimes it's music. It's not one thing at a time. But the work that I do and the part of the world that I am a very important medium to, I have to make sure that I'm a vibe. But to be that vibe, I have to feel it. And for that, the kick of my life is I'm the chosen one.
But this is very difficult too. I don't think so. हम छोटी-छोटी बातों में स्ट्रेस हो जाते हैं यार.
I think अगर हमारा बचपन का कोर इस तरीके से डेवलप हुआ हो कि वी नो हाउ टू बैलेंस इट आउट इवेंचुअली. There are moments when I feel stressed. There are obviously moments when I panic or, get anxious. But वो एक normal emotion की तरह आए और चला जाए is what I'm helping people identify. But I can convince somebody only once I am convinced with it. So I have to walk my talk. When we are working with somebody who's genuinely struggling to handle their emotions and depression or struggle, I cannot put a fake face out there, right?
Correct.
I have to walk my talk. So for that, I have to learn how to process my own stress. आना natural है, लेकिन उसका जाना भी उतना ही natural है. Is what I'm teaching, is what I'm helping somebody with. But my first student is myself.
वाओ, हम कब समझेंगे सब चीजें?
आप समझते हो? Look at the vibes that you are.
हमें कैसे समझ में आएंगी सब चीजें? मतलब यू थिंक सबको ही इस चीज की जरूरत पड़ती है? मुझे
मुझे भी पड़ती है.
Everybody needs a therapy. Everybody needs doctor like you, a friend like you.
We all need our friends.
We all need a
I would
friend.
like to keep the word therapy and counseling and doctors, psychologists all away. मुझे लगता है कि we all need to find that one person. It doesn't matter who it is, where we can just communicate, be ourselves. It can be sometimes your friend. It can be just just a work colleague. It can be just anybody. It can even be your diary. It can be your journal. It can be the water. It can be a sport. Like COVID brought me to painting.
Yes.
मुझे नहीं पता था that my apple, which used to look like a volleyball or a basketball in the childhood, can actually turn into a canvas and people can say, wow, I can't believe you've made this. And I'm like, I also can't believe that I've painted.
Okay.
Right? But what I'm trying to say is when we can connect inside, we can do magic outside.
वाह, ये सबको समझना चाहिए ना.
यही कोशिश है.
यही कोशिश है. आपसे मिलने के बाद, बात होने के बाद शायद मुझ में भी थोड़ा सा ठहराव आ जाए. जो है नहीं, टाइम लगेगा. आ जाएगा रितु.
Rome wasn't built in a day.
मुझे लगता है कि मुझे भी एक आध सेशन आपसे आके लेना पड़ेगा और मुझसे बात करनी पड़ेगी.
Always.
और इतना मतलब बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं बात करने के लिए, लेकिन अभी शायद इतना टाइम नहीं हमारे पास. और को थोड़ा सा चिल करने के लिए
Sure.
थोड़ा सा गेम खेलते हैं. एक छोटा सा है. Let's start something. It's a fun game, rapid fire something. और उससे पता भी चल जाएगा कि आप एक्चुअली में इतने सीरियस हो या अंदर से यू लाइवली पर्सन हो.
मैं तो बिल्कुल सीरियस नहीं हूँ.
नहीं होना. वेरी गुड. होना भी नहीं चाहिए. स्टार्ट करते हैं. ओके. क्योंकि मेरा शो है तो टी और कॉफी?
टी, of course.
अर्ली बर्ड और नाइट आउट?
Both. I'm up in the morning and I don't sleep at night. I'm working through the night. So
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. One thing you can't live without?
Family.
Ah, lovely. If you could have dinner with any celebrity, who would be?
Celebrity.
You can say Varsha.
Okay.
Sorry.
I would have loved to spend some time with the late Sri Ratan Tata.
Oh, legend. Okay, a song that always gets you dancing.
बहुत सारे हैं, but yeah, Waka Waka, Shakira.
Oh, I know. If you could switch life with someone for a day.
If I could switch life with somebody for a day. With my own self in the younger days, when I was in the hostel, bindas.
Oh.
I would love to go back one day.
I know, yaar. Weirdest food combination you ever tried?
Weirdest food combination. Jalebi with ketchup.
Yuck!
But it doesn't taste so bad.
Yuck! Okay. Your guilty pleasure movie?
Guilty pleasure movie. I have two.
Okay.
Pretty Woman
Okay.
and Jab We Met.
जब भी मैट यार कितनी भी बार देख लो ना मजा ही आ जाता है.
Same with Pretty Woman. Oh my God, I just love that movie.
One word your friend used to describe you?
I have many, but yeah, across the board, Durga. Chandi and the Durga.
Good one. What's your hidden talent?
I just spilled it out. Painting. I didn't know I could paint. मुझे खुद भी नहीं पता था. COVID brought out for me.
Wow, कोविड ने मुझे डिजाइन करना सिखाया था.
Wow.
बट कुछ हो नहीं पाया. इसका एनीवेज इसी के साथ आज का एपिसोड समाप्त होता है खत्म होता है और मुझे बहुत मजा आया ऋतु आपसे बात करके। इतनी सारी चीजें थी, इतनी चीजें पता चली जो अभी तक किसी को पता नहीं। आई होप सब लोगों को इस चीज से कुछ तो फायदा मिलेगा इस
I hope
एपिसोड
so
से।
too.
कुछ सवालों के जवाब मिलेंगे कुछ लोगों को। एंड मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया और मैं जल्दी से आपके पास आना चाहती हूँ उसके लिए। बट हमारे शो का एक रिचुअल है, जो भी यहाँ से जाता आता है उसको मेरे साथ एक डांस करना पड़ता है
Are you kidding me?
मेरे ही गाने पे। सो हमें बस 2-3 स्टेप्स करने होंगे, बाकी
Thank you for the surprise element. And I'm very grateful that you thought this to be worthwhile and invited me over to talk to you. It was such a pleasure.
इट वाज सच अ प्लेजर टू मी एज वेल कि दैट मैं आपको बुला पाई यहाँ पे और आप आए मेरे लिए इतना टाइम निकाल के, उसके लिए
Thank
थैंक यू।
you. The honor is
एंड
entirely
आई
mine.
रियली वांट कि सब लोगों को कुछ ना कुछ तो मिला होगा इससे। एंड थैंक यू।
Thank you.
Chai with Varsha, chai pe churcha, chai with Varsha.
चाय पे चर्चा विद वर्षा।
ये चाय
चाय पे चर्चा विद वर्षा।